Hi everyone. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Apple Watch 9 not charging in 2026. Now, on your Apple Watch Series 9, charging works through a magnetic connection. So you need to simply place the watch on the charger and make sure that it snaps properly into that position. If it is slightly off, charging will not start. Now, if the alignment is correct but it is still not charging, then you can also check the charger. You can use an Apple certified charging cable and adapter. You can also try a different power outlet or a USB port. If possible, test with another charger to confirm whether the issue is with the cable. Now, sometimes dirt and debris on the back of the watch can also block charging. So you need to make sure that you clean both the surfaces gently with a dry cloth. Even small dust particles can affect the magnetic connection. Now, if still, even after doing all of these steps, nothing is working, you can just simply do a quick reset. For that, simply press and hold the side button and the digital crown together until the Apple logo appears. This is going to clear all the temporary glitches that may stop it from charging. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.